Hello there everybody, welcome back to another tech tip video. Today we're going to be working on our Mercury 8 horsepower 4-stroke 2005 F8 ML. So things we're going to need: an oil basin, a flathead screwdriver, pretty big one. We're gonna need this part right here. It's a drain screw gasket. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the information down below. And then we're gonna need a gear loop pump, and at the same time we're gonna need some rags, and we're gonna need some gloves. And that's a pretty simple one. So this should only take you about 5 minutes, maybe less. Just a few things to inspect is the liquid, okay? A milky white. So a milky white basically means that you might have a seal problem. There's a section here where there's a seal there, and it'll prevent water from mixing into that. So just keep an eye on that, and should be ready to go. So let's go ahead and get to work. Alright guys, let's put that drain pan underneath, and let's prepare for the job. What we gotta do is put on some gloves. Done. Okay, so you see the screw right here with that blue gasket? So that's gonna be the top end, and then the bottom end is gonna be right here. So that's the drain. Let's go ahead and knock off that screw. Right here's the stuff from the bottom, right there. Okay, so here we have to inspect for color. Okay, so there it is. Remove that gasket. Okay, so put that in the side in a safe place. And then now that you've opened the bottom, let's give it some flow by cracking this one. Right away you're gonna notice that it's gonna start dripping a lot faster than it was. Okay, so check it out. I'm gonna loosen it up. There it is. So there it is, guys. That gear lube is now dripping down, and we open up the top end. There it is. There you go, it's going now. Take our bottle. We're gonna take our lube pump right here. Boom. So you take this little thing here, and it helps you tighten it up. But it's a sure indicator that there's a seal issue right here. If you see any white milky type of oil. Yep, it looks like it's basically done. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our bottle hooked up. Take this right here. Find that thread, tighten it up. So we got our connection right there, and our bottle is fitted right here. So all we gotta do now is pump this until it comes out of the top drain hole. There's that blue liquid coming in. Fresh liquid. Oh, there it is, guys. There it is. You see that? Let's go ahead and give it a little bit extra. Okay, now time to get that bolt back in the hole. So that's basically your fill line, guys. Go ahead and tighten that bolt. So there it is. Don't do it too tight. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it. Nice new lube. Now let's work on the lower unit. Take that out. Take your bolt with the seal, of course. Okay. Go ahead and tighten your bolt, your drain hole. Okay, give it a wipe. Okay. That is all, guys. That is that simple. That took you 5 minutes. On the next episode, we're going to be checking out what's inside, what's behind this propeller unit, and as well maybe change some other things that we need to take care of on the engine. Okay, so if you haven't yet, please do like, share, and subscribe. Check out my other videos, and I'm going to leave a link here, or check out the description section for links for all the other maintenance procedures that you can do on your outboard. Tight lines, happy fishing. See you guys on the water.